Hello everyone and welcome back to our English with Rama channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you a quick guide to provide your English grammar. We understand that time is precious. We condense the most essential components or concepts into the short session. So let's dive right in. Parts of speech. To begin, let's start with a quick review of parts of speech that are building blocks of sentence, and understanding them is crucial for grammar. Noun. Nouns are words that name people, place, things, or ideas. For example, dog, book, London, happiness, role. Noun can function as subjects. For example, the dog barks, object she reads a book, or possessive form John's car. They are main factor or entities in a sentence. Verbs are action, words that express actions, state, or occurrence. For example, run, eat, sleep, think. Role. Verb indicate what the subject is doing. For example, she runs fast, experience, she feels happy, or undergoing, they become friends. Verbs are crucial for expressing actions and provide the dynamic element in a sentence. Adjectives. Adjective. Adjective describe or modify nouns or pronouns. For example, beautiful, tall, happy, blue. Role. Adjective provide additional information about the qualities, character, or attributes of a noun. For example, the beautiful flowers bloom, and add descriptive details to enhance the meaning and create a more vivid picture in a sentence. Adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjective, or other adverbs. Example, quickly, carefully, yesterday, very. Role. Adverbs add details about how, when, where, or what extent an action or take place. For example, she ran quickly. They provide additional information to enhance the verb, adjective, or other adverbs in a sentence. Pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence to avoid repetition. For example, he, she, it, they, this, those. Role. Pronoun act as substitute for nouns. Referred to a previously mentioned or understood noun. They help maintain clarity and avoid unnecessary repetition in a sentence. She is happy. Instead, Mary is happy. Understanding the role of each part of speech is crucial in constructing sentence. Nouns and pronouns serve as the subject and objects, and verbs indicate that the action or state. Adjectives provide description, adverbs give additional information, details, and pronouns help maintain coherence and avoid repetition in a sentence. Section 2. Sentence structure. Now we have a good knowledge of the parts of speech. Let's move on to understanding sentence structure. By knowing how sentences are formed, you will be able to construct grammatical correct statement. Importance of subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement ensure the subject and verb in a sentence agreed in a number, singular or plural. This agreement create grammatical consistency and clarity. Incorrect. The cat jumped on the table. Subject cat, verb jump. Correct. The cats jump on the table. Subject cats, verb jump. Declarative sentence. A declarative sentence make a statement or expression an opinion. It's end with a period. For example, I love to read books. Interrogative. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. For example, what's your favorite color? Imperative sentence Imperative sentence give command or make a request. It can end with a period or exclamation mark. Example, please pass the salt. Exclamatory sentence express strong emotion or surprise. It end with a exclamation mark. For example, what a beautiful sunset. Trick to vary sentence structure. Use different sentence length. Combine short and long sentence for a more dynamic flow. Employ sentence fragments. Occasional use incomplete sentence to create emphasis or highlight key points. Use transitional phrase. Use words like however, therefore, or meanwhile to link ideas and create smooth transition. Experiment with types. Mix declarative, interrogative, or imperative exclamatory sentence to add variety to your writing. By incorporating these tricks, you can add variety and rhythm to your writing, keeping your readers engaging and interesting. Remember to practice regularly and apply these concepts in your writing to strengthen your gaps of sentence structure and create impactful sentences. Section 3. Common grammar mistakes. Lastly, address some common grammar mistakes that are easy to make. By being aware of these errors, you can avoid them and improve your overall grammar. Common grammar mistakes. By aware of these errors, you can avoid them and improve your overall grammar. First, let's discuss some common grammar mistakes. First, verb tense confusion. Verb tense confusion occur when there is inconsistency or incorrect usage of verb tense in a sentence. For example, yesterday I will go to the store. Correction, yesterday I went to the store. To pay attention the time frame of the action and use the appropriate verb tense to match it. Consider the context and use past, present and future tense accordingly. Subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement error happen when the subject and verb do not agree in a number, singular or plural. For example, the group of students is playing soccer. Correct. The group of students are playing soccer. Identify the subject and ensure that verb match its number. Singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. Be cautious with phrases that come between the subject and verb and can confuse the agreement. Incorrect word order. Incorrect word order disrupts the natural flow and meaning of a sentence. She cooked dinner delicious, and correct sentence is she cooked delicious dinner. Pay attention to the proper word order in English sentence, which usually follow the pattern of subject, verb, object, SVO or adjective noun order. Practice reading and word sentence and write sentence to develop a better sense of word order. Use of homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meaning and spelling. Misuse homophones can lead to confusion and errors. They are going to their house. Correct. They are going to their house. Take care to differentiate between homophones like they are, their, possessive form, and their refer to a place. Pay attention to context and meaning to choose the correct homophones. Congratulations on completing the quick guide to improve your basic English grammar. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue applying this concept in your daily conversation and writing. With time, you will notice significant improvement. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, share it with others who may benefit. Stay tuned for our language learning content, and we will see you in the next video. Before you go, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in a comment section below. We value your feedback and are here to support your language learning journey. Have a great day and happy learning.